We proudly own and manage a large dragon fruit plantation, where we apply advanced scientific farming methods to ensure that every fruit meets the highest quality standards. Our expansive plantation not only guarantees premium raw materials, but also enables us to maintain a stable and reliable supply. Our dragon fruit drying process is supported by a well-established and advanced production line. With cutting-edge technology and efficient workflow, our production line ensures uniform drying, vibrant color, and the preservation of natural nutrients. This streamlined process not only delivers consistent quality, but also boosts productivity, allowing us to meet high-volume demands. We use advanced air drying technology to produce our dried dragon fruit, ensuring optimal preservation of flavor, color, and nutrients for a premium product. We have the advanced laboratories that conduct rigorous quality testing. In addition, we have obtained international certifications and qualifications.